it was amazing. Yes. Well, I think it's really interesting to learn more about the culture of Ghana, of the Ashanti people. For me, if I go abroad, it is about experience other cultures. And here you have a very active, very lively, very, the tradition is really alive, or the community as Ashanti people. And I wanted to experience that.
I think I was really interested in the culture here and wanted to find out more, and it was incredible. I'm really glad I came several years ago. I've heard about it, and I'm a teacher, and one of my students, his parents, came and read a story about the Asante culture, and that was the first time, and I wanted to learn more, so I came here.
I think it was at the very end when the king was over there dancing with the singers and the dancers. That was because, like I said, he is very close to his people. I think that's amazing.
It's so hard to pick just one moment. I think just everybody coming in at the beginning and just more and more people joining, the colors, the music. I just felt like, the energy was wonderful. Yeah.
I think the entrance of the king. When the king go inside, yeah. I think for me, it's the best moment because people are excited. Yes, yes.
Me mama at their touching, at their into ye. All right, thank you very much for your time. abusuafoɔ sɛ deɛ yɛnyina anim no ɛnɛ yɛ Akwasidae yɛdi kan ɛwɔ afe mpem mmienu ɛne aduonu nsia ɛwɔ mmanhyia Kotoko fie na wohwɛ amammerɛ ne amanne yɛtwa gu yɛ na posi mpanyinfoɔ wɔyɛ man Ghana mu akora bɛka akora ɔbɛ asante Kotoko hene ho ɛne di na Akwasidae yɛ anɛsɛ wani ɛnsɛ ɔka kyerɛ ne nna mmoa ne abɛpie yɛ nuanom aborɔfo yi so na wohwɛ wɔn ani gye agye ɛne sɛ deɛ wɔsi bo se fa no sɛ bi metena se yɛnyɛ yie na twea bɛn wɔn mɛpini wɔn na bisa baabi ɔmo firi baabi ɔmo abɛduru ɛne ɛnɛ kora Akwasidae yɛ wɔ ha yi ɛdeɛ na ɛhyɛ wɔn kwan ti ɔbaeɛ deɛ ohun yɛn deɛ na ɔka ɛde afa wɔn ti ntɛmpa ɔmo nte asante kasa no deɛ ɛbɛka na ɔborɔfo mu yes mɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɔmo akɔ aba ne ato ɛbo ase atwetwe nkɔmɔ. Let me start from hello sir.
Hello.
Happy Sunday, how are you doing?
I'm very well here.
Okay, I'm also fine by God's grace. My dear, please, I hope you're all fine. Can you please join us? Yeah, I hope you're all fine.
Yeah,
Bless God. Please, what's your name, sir?
My name is Henning. Henning, yes.
Okay, what about you?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, my dear, what about you?
Rosha.
Rosha. Okay, what I would ask, where are you coming from?
Well, I'm from Germany, living in London.
Oh, okay. Okay. Please, what about you?
I'm from Taiwan, living in California.
Okay, and you?
I'm from Spain and living in Spain.
Oh, okay, okay. Is this your first time coming to Ghana?
Yes, absolutely. It's the first time I went to Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
And it was amazing.
What inspired you to be in Ghana, Kumasi to be precise?
To be honest, I did hear about this festival. And I thought it must be an amazing experience to come here. That was the reason why I organized the holiday so that I would be here at that time. And it was amazing. Yes, exactly.
You know, there are so many places in Ghana. Even in Kumasi here, there are so many places to visit.
Yeah.
What inspired you to choose the revered Menchia Palace as your place of destination among all these numerous places in the Ashanti Kingdom and Ghana? What inspired you to be here?
Well, I think it's really interesting to learn more about the culture of Ghana, of the Ashanti people. For me, if I go abroad, it is about experience other cultures. And here you have a very active, very lively, very, the tradition is really alive, or the community as Ashanti people. And I wanted to experience that.
Let me come to you, my dear. Your name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, what inspired you to be at the revered Menchia Palace for today's occasion?
Same thing. I think I was really interested in the culture here and wanted to find out more, and it was incredible. I'm really glad I came.
Oh, okay. So even coming here, you had heard of the Ashanti Kingdom way before coming here, right?
Yes, yeah, several years ago. I've heard about it, and I'm a teacher, and one of my students, his parents, came and read a story about the Asante culture, and that was the first time, and I wanted to learn more, so I came here.
So looking at what you heard way back, what you might have read in books way back, and your experience, your first-hand information, seeing everything come to life right before your eyes, how was the feeling like?
I mean, it's completely incredible. It's different reading it in a book or online versus seeing it, and it's just so just lively, the music, the drumming, everything. Incredible. The colors, the culture. Yeah, it was wonderful.
Wow. My dear, let me come to you. Can you please come a bit closer? What inspired you to choose the Menchia Palace among all the numerous places that we have in Ghana?
Sorry, I don't understand you.
He wants to know why you chose to come here.
To come here
Yeah,
in
the Menchia,
Kumasi,
the Menchia
or
Palace. The King's Palace here to witness
because
this occasion.
because I have read in internet about this festival.
Oh, okay. The Akwasidae Festival.
Yeah. Yeah. The Akwasidae, Gukudai, because
Gukudai, yeah, we have
yes,
Gukudai.
Gukudai on Wednesday.
Exactly.
Yeah, on Wednesday each 6 weeks. Yes. And I have read, and I am interested in culture, in traditional. Yes, this is the reason.
Okay, so even before coming here, you had read a lot about the Ashanti people, and you wanted to experience first-hand information how our culture looks like, isn't it?
Yes.
And so, being privileged to be here, seeing the Asantehene, the rich Ashanti culture on full display, how was that feeling like? How did you feel?
Feel good. Yeah, very good. Yeah. It's nice. It's funny. Yeah, it's a good vibe, good feelings.
Good feelings.
Yeah.
Great feelings, I guess.
You can feel. Yes.
What did you feel? Someone
Good
was telling me
energy, good energy.
he had goosebumps all around him when the king was in his glorious state, drumming, singing, and dancing all over. He felt goosebumps all around him. He was excited.
Yes. Yes. For me, yes. For me, it's good. You can feel good energy.
Okay.
Yes.
Good energy all over.
Yes.
I think it's amazing. I think it's amazing that actually the king is so approachable that he is basically embedded in society, and you can actually be very close to him. Quite often they are somewhere in some remote palace, and they are just. This is really a king of the people. I thought it was really impressive.
Okay, so the festival lasted for over 3 hours. What was that one moment that got you? The moment that's going to live with you throughout your life. I mean, one moment during the occasion that's going to live with you forever. The moment you laughed so much that you always admire.
I think it was at the very end when the king was over there dancing with the singers and the dancers.
Oh, okay.
That was because, yeah, like I said, he is very close to his people. I think that's amazing.
You can see he's a king who is closer to his people, who draws his people closer. That's what it is.
Absolutely, yes, exactly.
What about you? What was that moment that got you? A moment that's going to live with you forever.
It's so hard to pick just one moment. I think just everybody coming in at the beginning and just more and more people joining, the colors, the music. I just felt like, the energy was wonderful. Yeah.
My dear, what about you? Is there one moment that you laughed? One moment you laughed at whatever happened, but that single moment that's gonna be with you forever.
I think the entrance of the king.
The entrance of the king.
Of the king when
Why the entrance of the king?
when the king go inside. Yeah. I think for me, yeah, it's the best moment.
Why do you choose it as the best moment?
Eh?
Why do you choose that as the best moment? As the best moment.
I don't know. I think because people are exciting.
Excited,
Yes.
sharing the king.
Yes. To see the king. Yes. With drums. Yeah.
So I'll be leaving you no time. What is the message to your people in London and in Germany about your experience so far? What are you telling your people out there about the Ashanti Kingdom and why they should choose to visit the Ashanti Kingdom? Can you look into the camera and tell your people something?
Well, first of all, I think Ashanti people are extraordinarily welcoming. We met lots of policemen, lots of soldiers, lots of people here. They are just extraordinarily welcoming, and it is just amazing to experience a completely different culture from the European culture. So I think it's really absolutely worth coming. It's an amazing place.
So you should make it a point to visit the Ashanti Kingdom, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. My dear, your message to your people in Thailand about your experience in the Ashanti Kingdom and why they should make it a point to be here in Kumasi, the Menchia Palace.
I think it's a beautiful culture. I think the people are warm, friendly, welcoming. I think absolutely you have to be here to really experience it. So, yeah, everyone should come.
Okay. My dear, what about you? What's your message to your people?
The same, more or less the same. It's a beautiful experience. It's different. Yes.
Before you go, when it's Christmas, we say Merry Christmas. When we all respond, many happy returns. When it is Akwasidae, today is Akwasidae, which is a festival of the Ashanti people, celebrated every 40 days. And so within the whole year, I mean a calendar year, we celebrate this festival 9 times. That is at 40-day interval. So once that's been celebrated today, the 1st of February 2026, the next Akwasidae is going to be 40 days from today. That is a month and then 2 weeks. When it is Akwasidae, we have a special greetings that we greet as Ashantis and the larger Akan ethnic group. We say, "Me mamu ade touching." Then you respond Ade into ye. I will greet me mama there touching. Then you respond me mama Ade into ye. Me mama there touching. Then you say Ade into ye. Can we try it?
Okay.
So I'll say me mama there touching. Then you respond Ade into ye. Ade into ye. Me mama there touching.
In there,
Okay, I'll say me mama there touching. Then you respond Ade into ye. Ade into ye. Me into ye. Me mama there touching.
Ade introducing.
Adento ye.
Ade
Into ye. Me mama there touching. Me mama ade touching. Ade into ye. The last one ade into ye. Me mama ade touching. Ade into ye. All right, thank you very much for your time. Safe journey back home. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you so much. God bless you. God bless you. All right, that was ya. Inti enu anu mi. Omo fra kontum ne ba ye. Ya omo di omo ni krotu amansa. Ya omo tsanta mu. Abe hu asante amamre. Ene asante amane. Ento aso na de akabia so. Yemfa enso mo. Abusia die yehu die ayete dia ekoso ye die ni kroti amansa ehu be ni nyina akọ wie se ye mfa ni die ma die ni die se no ene wo hwe Kotoko fie Akwasidae ye ekoso na Ghana police sahene ne aposi mpanyifo ene royal police ladies wo nyina eba ye ebeta echi ma dwumadi ekoso a na eswani ense okache kra efe Asantehemaa amahene ni mabenyam ewa Asante amabi aka Ghana ni biase na ti mu behia se Ghana manyina brana ye ni die ni busunko ebe makuntum kantambo ko bia Asante Kotoko ni ye oti okrawe ene bra wo maso yeso de mu yiye na said the IGP ni kan was Asantehene only one Asante nko a o de ma Ghana nyina na no IGP me che Ghana police sahene era ye hono de Asantehene we the King Solomon of our time e wo ye man Ghana mu ha ya che ni nim die na koma pan na botre no oni won fa ma Asante o de ma Ghana nyina to de abule bia o se nyame se onom Asantehene nkotenten na won tena se ma Ghana manyina na abule bia na futuo na kwankyere na teneten na wakoso a e de ateten e posi ekmako ya wono era ye hono eda no nti yesre nyina ye nkamo josem kraka se nyina ye de akoma pata echiesi etu na ma oso hira so oso ekai na ye bom na duba bi na de wani mu che wono wan fa ni di ama no a de oso wani mu che no on fa ni di nyina ye tu de ni die ni boye sefata e ma Asantehene nyame na aye ne sa wa ne kese dada se era no bi atwam ono aka se nyame wo hira Asantehene wa ne kese dada nya fe no no bia e be bi o Ghana ha nyina de ni die ni bo ma ne sa se nyame na ase that chi se kedwa free so de ama no na o ma na dance o free ahin na ntemu a oso di a wote nyame ya adu o be peja na ni mo na bem ni nyina yetu etumpo o be kai abra o hen sie bokun sense we me kai se woni mo nyam kese se e wo ye man Ghana na wo se ye kora ye so mu ana me kai di ko se wo kwa busuya bi emu wo kwa asafo bi emu efie bi emu adwuma bi emu no e woni papa ko bi wo ho a o ye ho bia ye ho ferefo ya asemba na eba na nya kama fo ni mu ye den a ono nko aba mu a na atadi me ma dwem no nyame e de Asantehene che Ghana sa so e Ghana ma mu nya ferefo ti ade bi aba na ntimi maka ade bi aba na mu ye den a ono nko akontu kantambo do obi bi wo ba mu a na bibia yetin oba mu a na bibia taboko no tuna mesere se ina abra no ban yenko so a na ndidie ni bu ese fata bia yemfa ma de ote sikadwa so yes anyame so beko so hirae na ma yenso ye de aye from ayema wa ho asem ya Asantehene na me de ndidie ma nyina ye ho ti nyina ye ni papa yemfa otontena biako ye ehia na boye amaye man Ghana tumpo me de kopa na wisu ye da se pa se busua ojebwe na ohwe me kai se nimaku bia da Roma so yasne abedjumati bro na wo hwa abrofo na wo ka se ya wesimi free English memu wesimi free German memu free Thailand memu na so dia ma behu ha no bebre no tie o ma se won se o ma tie Asante abakọ sempen e na o mo ye se o mo ba be pe bia hwe ba ko so akenka won krata mu a na nyame aye atom a ordinary go to amansen aba be dia de fefe sei ade nyina ye nka mo na ye mfa ni die ni pro ene sabi ya wa so ensom na ye nkura ne ye ama mfa ni munyam enkoso amre Ghana man de bi nkawi asina de be makwan ama ye mobi ebebu entia enso ntimi nya bo hwe ye nanso yi etu ye fo de de akoma partner beboa ama ye man Ghana ayefo me da se pa sa oje bre na ohwe me bi de kwapena busu I say you may go gather Roma and so much on the B0w a OB Trading Enterprise. If I must say South just junction or and OB Trading Enterprise. So I give you a fantastic papa and papa perfume papa dear Mr. Royaba Ghana and OB Trading Enterprise. Me boss Mr. Poku Wachi and I offer idea oh patari papa open papa perfume papa and one OB Trading Enterprise who must say South just junction and I make count for the amount. So Kotoko GP also make for better grace financial services of the amount. Ghana for more America, Ghana for more Canada. For insurance ones and some dear and a better grace financial services. Yeah, me mommy. And not once in a year or any than I could see Aquafadia. But in my drink away, not even anymore. Na inso ye o do ho na sie sika na akọ ho gym na ko basi bia ohia sika obetem sika boom the amount ya onye otu bia tax free on pe we dey na pe e na afa o do ho na usie sika kro na abusua mana da sumina so na mpare ye ho na ma ne bi ba na no ntimi ni adwuma bi ba better grace financial service be show up so be nya metia na wo manso o ma hwe o ma ko so be si afom on pe we na tie e na pe di ko na so ya men kan be pe be share me so subscribe ma no ate na share ma foforo so e nya ku hwe maka bye bye.